Yo, what is going on, guys? So I'm going to start tearing down this car somewhat, getting it prepped for this car show season. So pretty much I'm just gonna start taking stuff apart, like the door handles, the mirrors, and just things like that. The tail lights, get them redone because I got them tinted right now, but the tint is coming off. So I want to get that redone, do it properly this time. Okay, so to take these door handles off, all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. So you just pull these rubber things out, just like that. And there's 2 screws, 1 in each hole. Let me get a screwdriver. Alrighty, so just want to pull these out. Make sure you don't drop them in the door. I did that on one of them. So just want to make sure you don't drop it. Yeah, the other one fell in there a while back. I just haven't taken it out yet, but I'm in no rush for that. Alrighty, and just like that, it's out. Okay, so the same for this side. Just pull this rubber grommet thing off, and this one here too. And then pull the 2 screws out, and then it'll come right out. Alright, so you just kind of wiggle this a bit and then it should free up. This side is a little bit more difficult because it does have the lock on it. So you just gotta play around with it a little bit. Try and free that up. Okay, just like that. And then just kind of set you guys up a little bit better here so you can see what I'm actually doing. So there's a little tab here, you just pop that up. And then you can pull that out. Pull these screws off too, or just this one. And then the whole thing will pop out. Alright, so you just pull that out, you can leave that hanging there. Alright, so I'm going to start taking the mirrors off. So what you need to do is just pull on this a little bit, and then just pull this out. And there is a wire that goes down in there. Just don't plug it with the screwdriver, just for the speaker. And then that gives you access to these 3 nuts here. You just pull them off, and you will have to unplug plug inside there too, and you can pull this right out. So you just want to pull it through. And I guess I'll explain to you guys the reason why I'm pulling these mirrors off. I'm not painting this part, like the actual mirror. I'm just the black, since it's faded from the sun and whatnot. So I'm just going to get this painted like a nice gloss black, just like all the other pieces, like the door handles and stuff, just so it looks a little bit better and stuff. So yeah, let's do the other side, and then we'll go to the taillights. Okay, so it's exactly the same. You just pull this thing off. I did that earlier already, so. And then you want to just take these 3 out again, and then unplug that, and then it should pop right out. So I'll just unplug this right away. Alrighty, got it out. Ooh. I'll do the taillights now, and then, yeah, let's do that. Alright guys, so to take these taillights out, all you're gonna need is a flathead and a 10 mil. So you just pop the covers off with the flathead, and then just take these 3 bolts out. So you just kind of grab on there and just give it a little bit of a pull. It's clipped in too, so. Alrighty, got it. So just unplug the light, just like so. And yeah, it's kind of fading, so I'm just gonna get that redone. Okay, so it is the exact same for this side. Just pop these covers off. So you just want to pull this one out too. Just unplug it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video there. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.